packing up sleeping bags, extra blankets, lots of little extra blankets, adventure weights. I always bring along a lot of little lights, things like this. You can just, they're easy to pack and they're bright. Some toiletry items, just like essentials, powders, wipes, mirror, comb, brush, that sort of thing. Always need matches, little games, mini apples to apples, like some card games and things. Rain ponchos, not even gonna get into the fishing equipment. R-Shark can opener, which has been coming along with any of our trips for many, many years. I think it was found in an antique store. So like I said, plenty of wipes, plenty of bug spray. Bug spray is essential. I always bring tablecloths because there's usually, if it's a campsite, there's usually a picnic table, napkins, that sort of thing. You absolutely need citronella candles. This is a cute little camping cup. Take off the lid and then it just kind of pops up. But I love that kind of stuff, especially the old vintage camping stuff. Lots of these kind of things are great too. These are just little zip up bags that turn into a full-size bag. You never know what you might be bringing home. Pack along some things like this. They pop up into little holders. They can also be turned over and used as like a little table. You can use them in your tent. So I got a couple of them. Cute little lamp, create a little ambience inside the tent. So you can set these little things up as tables. There's some cheap utensils. These pop up. Fabric ones are good for inside of the tent. People can just throw their shoes in there. So yeah, that's just some of the stuff that I'll be packing for our camping trip.